Let's shift focus to JSW Steel numbers now. Now, this company is a part of the Nifty, and what we are seeing, stellar set being reported by the company on all the parameters. The numbers are seeing an improvement, or rather a beat across all the parameters. Firstly, let's talk about the profit. The company has reported a profit of this time around over 2,000 crores, 2,338 crores is what the company has reported. A revenue jump of 11% on a YoY basis is what we have seen at 42,213 crores. Even on the margin figure, 16.7% is what the company has reported versus the estimate of 13.4%. So that's the beat coming in on JSW Steel across all the parameters. We are seeing a good run up, where the company also says that the crude steel production for the quarter is inched up higher to 11% on a YoY basis, while it has been a muted set on a sequential bit of a performance. So that's why we are seeing great set of numbers from JSW Steel. But if we look at the margin figure, then on a sequential basis, there has been a dip of just 20 basis points from 16.9% last quarter. This time around is 16.7%. So great run up. So let's take the analyst take on this one. Maybe Kunal, firstly onto the charts, if you can help that how JSW Steel is looking like. We are seeing a jump of 2.5% right now, more than that. So any next stops for this one?
Well, I think it's an excellent chart, because I remember, I think, that this is one of the best performing stock from the metal names, large cap wise specifically. So I think at current levels also, I would expect the stock to head up higher. But it's just that what happens is post results, once the news flow is out, once the event is out of the way, the stocks, they generally get into a bit of a profit booking mode. So even on good results, we expect that the stock moves up higher initially, and then there's some sort of a profit booking which emerges into the stock price. But net the direction gets set from these outcomes, and that remains on the upside for JSW Steel. So you might look at some correction, but I think on the medium term wise, I would expect a big uptrend to continue for JSW Steel.
Big uptrend to continue for JSW Steel. And I'll just quickly, before we slip into the break, let's look at the quarter-on-quarter numbers as well, because revenues are down by 10%, EBITDA is down by 11%, and while when you look at it in terms of overall the profits of the company, that's down by 36% as well. As of now, given the current scenario that is going with the commodity prices, sometimes you could even compare on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and that would be a better understanding as well, and that is what is flashing on the screens for you all as well. So keep an eye out on the number. Yes, we did see a sharp run up. Now, seems like that high that we saw of the stock, that's coming down as of now. But keep an eye out on the numbers. YoY, strong beat coming in there.